Hey guys, good morning, it's Robb Moffett. I don't know about you, but I'm hungry and I don't want to spend a lot of time. I'm going to make this in 4 minutes. It's going to cook in 4 minutes, I should say. It's going to be 4 ingredients. One is sausage. This is a tofurkey. It's vegetarian sausage, but you can use whatever type you like. And we're going to add a 1 serving pack of macaroni and cheese. I get 16 packs for like $6 on Amazon, maybe $6.50. And you can add different ingredients and make them kind of tasty. Gonna add the macaronis. Get in there. Get in my belly. Gonna add 2/3 cup of water. Gonna add the flavorful Italian flavored tofurkey and some broccoli. Now, you can add kale, you can add broccoli, you can any type of greens you want, spinach, whatever is good for you. And we're going to add a little can of mushrooms, already drained. If you like more metal in your food, you want to go that route. But yeah. It says 3.5 to 4 minutes, but because this is frozen, we'll go about at least 4 minutes. I like to save these cans. You can make little planting containers for seedlings. Also, the canning lid jars don't fit tight. They're kind of loose, but you can still make them into storage containers that way. It's been 4 minutes. Let's add the cheese powder. The directions say you can also add a little bit of margarine or butter at the end. Now we're going to let that sit, cover it up. So this is a good recipe if you don't want to heat up the house in summertime. Now if your broccoli is frozen, it's probably better to go like 5 minutes instead of 4 minutes. Just let it sit and absorb all the liquid, that cheese sauce. This makes a very appetizing, tasty, healthy 5-minute meal. 4 ingredients: macaroni and cheese, the broccoli, the mushrooms, and the sausage. There you go, guys. That's a fairly substantial lunch. Just a few minutes. And not too expensive either. All right, guys. Take care. See you out there. I forgot to mention, Amazon has these. You can get 18 pouches for about $6.50. They don't take up very much space in your cupboard. These would be great for camping or for prepping. I think they're a pretty good deal.